Enjoy the view of this 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Wouldn't it be nice to take your calm place with you on every journey? You can with this MKZ. It's the refined luxury sedan that blends quiet power, the latest technology, impeccable taste, and expressive style to create an oasis of pure comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Hold the key to confidence and style. Get into this extraordinary MKZ. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.